Here we will write a program to print sum of all items from a dictionary using Python. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define the dictionary with subjects as a keys and marks as a values. We can find the sum of items with two ways. First by using the for loop, and second is using sum function. So first we will use for loop to calculate the sum. For this we will define one variable which is initialized with 0, and then we will use for loop. So for key in dictionary name, that is dict1, we will use result equal to result plus dict1 keys, and then we will print the sum. First we will write the message print sum of items using for loop, and we will print result. Second way is using sum method. So print sum of items using sum method, and here we will use sum dict1 dot values. Then we will save this dictionary sum and we will execute it. It will display sum of items using for loop 303 and sum of items using sum method 303.